Welcome to DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise tutorial series. In this video, we will show you the linear flight feature. Preparation before use. The latest firmware of DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series supports adjustable altitude in linear flight. Make sure the firmware of the aircraft, remote controller, and app version are higher than the following versions. During the entire process of planning and performing linear flight, make sure RTK is connected. Enable Maintain Positioning Accuracy mode. You might also consider enabling Vision Assist to observe obstacles along the flight route and ensure flight safety. Using 4G enhanced transmission can improve the image transmission signal when flying in a complex operating environment. In the homepage of DJI Pilot 2, tap Flight Route. Tap Create a Route. Select Linear Route. Tap Live Mission Rec. And start planning a flight route. Creating center line. Fly the aircraft to the area above the target subject and ensure that the aircraft is close to the subject for more accurate GSD and overlap ratio calculation. Press the C1 button on the remote controller to record the current location of the aircraft as a reference point. If adjustments are required, press the C2 button on the remote controller to delete the current reference point. After the reference point is added, fly the aircraft to the next target and repeat the above operation. All reference points will automatically connect to generate a center line. The center line length and number of reference points will be shown on the upper left corner of the app. After all reference points are added, tap the icon on the upper left corner to save the flight route. Then the center line is created. Adjusting center line. To adjust the location of the center line, tap Edit in Flight. Fly the aircraft to add the reference points again to modify the center line. Choose any reference point to serve as the start point and end point for in-flight editing. Tap Aircraft Automatically Flying to Start Point and the aircraft will fly to the start point. Replan reference points using C1 and C2 buttons on the remote controller. After all reference points are added, tap the icon on the upper left corner to save the flight route and the center line is modified. Setting linear flight mission parameters. Tap the icon to edit the linear flight mission parameters. Tap Parameter Settings to adjust flight band and route parameters. Set extension length. GSD. Flight route to target surface, safe takeoff altitude and speed. Flight route direction. Supports two options, vertical to center line and parallel to center line. To collect power line data, it is recommended to select vertical to center line. Elevation optimization is supported and can be enabled based on the actual requirements. Set upon completion. Tap Advanced Settings. The side overlap ratio and frontal overlap ratio are set to 50% and 70% by default. Adjust as required according to the actual situation. Select the photo mode, set takeoff speed. After the flight route parameters are set, tap the icon on the upper left corner to save the flight route. Tap Run Flight Route. Performing flight route mission. Upload the flight route mission. Check RTH altitude, signal lost action, customize battery warning, and obstacle avoidance. After confirming the settings, tap Upload Flight Mission. After the flight mission is uploaded, tap Start. When performing the flight route mission, you can check if there are any obstacles in the flight path through Vision Assist. After the mission is complete, check if there are any obstacles during RTH through AR Return to Home route. By using AR Landing Point, check if the landing point meets the landing conditions. After flight, import the collected data to DJI Terra for reconstruction. Thanks for watching.